Grease Guardian is a globally certified, high-performance grease management solution designed to effectively remove grease and food waste, preventing drain blockages and minimizing kitchen downtime. Its user-friendly design requires no internal access and adjusts operational times to fit the needs of each kitchen. Environmentally, it tackles fall pollution, uses minimal energy, safeguards drainage systems, and lowers your carbon footprint. Financially, it provides savings with its low energy use, decreased pumping costs, and by eliminating the need for enzymes or chemicals. The system operates by filtering and removing food waste using dry filtration technology, which streamlines the emptying process. The integrated baffle system separates fats, oils, and grease. After this, the oleophilic skimming wheel harvests the grease. The skimmed grease is then deposited into a side collection container for easy disposal. The skimmed grease has less than 1% impurities and is perfect for biofuel production. Inquire now by emailing sales@greaseguardian.com.